Welcome to episode 4 of Adventures in Arch Linux, where I go from a complete noob to a complete pro in this completely unscripted, unedited, everything. And yeah, let's just start the episode. So basically, I am still at the point where I'm not 100% sure on how to get the whole log-on thing working. And I can't get my webcam working yet. I'm still not getting my audio for my webcam or for my headset microphone thing. And I do have a screen recorder, vokoscreen, which is great, but I'm still using this digital camera here to actually record the audio for it because I can't get the audio working on that with my other devices. So in this episode we're going to try and tie up a few of the little odds and ends here, try and get everything working a bit better. And once I've done that, I might even play a game at the end just to, you know, wind down and relax at the end of a busy episode. So let's get started. First of all, I'm just going to log in, and sorry I can't screen record this little logging in thing just because vokoscreen requires a graphical user environment and I'm not in an environment now. But I'm just going to log in. Now that I've logged in, to log into the actual desktop environment every time, I have to type in lxdm. And upon typing that, I actually have to type sudo lxdm. And upon typing that and my password, it gets into the, I can't remember, lxde, like window manager kind of thing, which looks like this. And I just simply log in. And it pops up with everything. Come on, hurry up. And there's my desktop background that I took that photo of and customized it like that yesterday. But anyway, to start off this episode, I just want to pretty much get my webcam working. So, let's move on to the screen with vokoscreen. Just before we continue, a bug that has plagued every episode with vokoscreen is that when I first press record after just turning this Arch system on, so I've just turned it on, I press start and nothing happens. So then the program freezes, I try and click stop and everything, and I've got to actually literally go down here, click close window, and wait about a minute for this to close. Then the next time I open up vokoscreen, I come down here, I go to sound and video, open up vokoscreen, then it works. So I'm not sure what it is, but whenever I try for the first time to record with vokoscreen, it just never seems to work. Hurry it up. So there we go, watch this. Now I'll come back up here, I'll mount the camera so you can see it work. Here we go, sound and video, vokoscreen. Now watch this. This time around, when I click it, 3, 2, 1, vokoscreen actually starts to work. So I'm not sure about why it always has that problem every time I try and use vokoscreen. Anyway, let's get to the meat of it. Right here we've got a program called Cheese. It's for viewing the webcam. Ooh. Why is that flashing there? That's odd. I've never seen it flash yellow and red before. But anyway, the issue is it says no device found, and I have no idea why it has an issue not finding the device. But someone has emailed me and they've said what you've got to do is you've got to go into the terminal. Now this is green again, so I'm not sure why that's green. But anyway, it says you've got to go into the terminal like this, and you need to type in lsusb. So it says basically, now for Cheese, in terminal do lsusb to see if the webcam is shown in the list. If not, unplug the webcam and plug it back in and do dmesg tail to see if any errors appear. This is the information we need so we can start looking for a module to load it. Okay, so I'm going to type that. Oh, and here's some things. Seagate. Seagate is the actual hard drive that this is on. Linux Foundation. Okay, that's my trackball, like my mouse. I don't know what this thing is, or these Linux Foundations, but anyway, it doesn't appear to be there. So right now I'm just going to quickly unplug the webcam and see if that works. So you can come with me as I do this. Coming back here, unplug, and then plug it back in. Now we're going to come back onto the screen, and over here we're going to see if that did anything. Let me just extend this out a bit, and I'm going to type in LSUSB. And oh, actually, look at that. Logitech Webcam. Was that there before? 992. I don't see. No, I don't see that there. So, okay, it appears to detect the Logitech webcam now. Now I'm going to go over to Sound and Video Cheese. Oh, it's actually working. Shame my webcam isn't properly set up. Wait a sec. Put it like that. Okay. And can I adjust the focus? Yeah, I can adjust the focus. Okay, awesome. It works. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now, I've got to work out. I'm just checking this email because I want to find out what's kind of... How do I do this next stage? Because I'm a bit confused about this. So, it says to do D... Like, I'll even show you. Here's my surface I've got here on the side. It says, like... I can't even do this. D... No, I can't even show you. Don't worry. If only I had a little camera, I could jump to my surface. It says DMESG tail to see if any errors appear. Okay, let's try and do that. DMESG and this funny key tail. Don't know what this does. Okay, new high-speed USB. Warning. Unlikely big volume range. Okay. Oh, so that's USB audio. Unlikely big volume range. Okay. Mic camera volume. Yeah. Registered. Wait a sec. I just thought of something. Is this gonna work now with recording audio? Let's test it out. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first of all take a photo. Cheese. Oh wait. Oh, there was an error playing back video from your webcam. Okay, so there is an issue there. It can't even. So it took a photo and then it's like, well, nah, can't do this. So what's it doing? Webcam. It's got that resolution there. In fact, I think my webcam is only really supposed to do this resolution. I don't know about the other resolution. So you've got all this brightness and stuff there. Number of photos, 4, delay. Okay. Close that. And I'm not sure what happened there. Is there a place where it says where it saves to? Like, where would it save all these things to? Full screen, I'm not going to do that because I'd be worried about what it would do to the vokoscreen recording. Cheese, yep. But what do we help? No, there doesn't seem to be a help interface. By the way, sorry about that weird button. I tried to do something with GIMP in the last episode and it just didn't work. So, yeah, it's like a sell button now. It looks awful. Anyway, let's try and get this working because I'm not sure what happened. It took a photo and then it just freaked out. So let's try and open Cheese again and see if it works this time. So I've got Cheese, there it is. Now, where's it saving everything to? So, oh, is it done something? Oh, okay. So, because it's a lower resolution, I've just realised it's looking a bit strange. Maybe if I just make this Cheese a bit smaller. Oh, it won't go any smaller than that? Okay. There we go then. I don't know, this lower resolution is looking a bit dodgy. Okay, take multiple photos. Effects. So why does this photo thing not work? Oh, and there's a few effects there. Okay, now this is pretty creepy. Okay, what I'm gonna try and do though is take a photo. 3, 2, 1, and I'm the Hulk. But it just doesn't work. Okay. So there is some kind of an issue there. I don't know why it's got this issue playing like things from the webcam, and I don't know where Cheese saves to. So let's just see where maybe it goes into photos. In fact, let's check the photo folder and see if it goes into photos. No, doesn't seem to go into photos. Desktop, no. Okay, I can get rid of this because that file's just annoying me. It was just some file when I was setting up Arch Linux. I outputted some driver thing or something, but I don't need it anymore. Anyway, let's work out where cheese is saving to. So I just hope... Oh wait, Firefox is already running. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so what's the issue? It's arch, cheese, and then what's the error? It says there was an error playing video from the webcam. Arch, cheese. There was an error playing video from the webcam. There we go. Okay, let's see what it says. With permissions. Actually, is it with permissions? That would be an interesting thought. So let's say I run cheese as sudo. Let's try this. Ready? Cheese. Wait. Sudo cheese. Sounds like an actual brand of cheese. Okay. So let's just see if it works. I'd be interested to see, is this purely an issue with cheese itself? Like permissions? So let's see. Take a photo. Okay, 3, 2, and I really hope this works. Oh my goodness. So it didn't stuff up, but at the same time, where'd the photo go? Oh wow, there's some more preferences here. Interesting. But it's not got an area where it's saving the photos, because you'd think, like, it goes 3, 2, 1, and you'd think that box there is where it would save the photos, but it's not saving them. So I'm not knowing where it's saving the photos. You can shoot with space, full screen, effects, preferences, but where does everything go? That's the only thing I'm a bit annoyed about. Let's try and record a video. Oh, is this going to mess up with the vokoscreen down there? Let's see. Ah, there was an error playing. Oh, it's got all this information here. Okay, but there was an error playing video. So we can seem to do photos, but not videos. So what it says is, it says, cheese warning, failed to connect, connection refused, get pulse. So maybe it's something to do with the pulse audio. Maybe I need pulse. But let's see all these errors. So cheese. What's all this stuff? I'm not quite understanding this. Failed to find a suitable audio device source. Okay. So I thought it would just find the audio on the camera, but it appears not. Anyway, I'm not sure exactly how to get this webcam working now. I've had a little go, but maybe we just have to go up to the Arch website. Let's just see, Arch webcam support. In fact, I should actually check this cheese and issues with permissions after update. Here's a step-by-step. Open D. Search for both photo path and video path. Assign values for directories that you have permissions to write to. Oh, okay. So open dconf editor. Okay, well, let's see if it's in here. Dconf editor? No, so I'm guessing it's probably in here. Let's see, ready? Dconf editor. Oh, here. Oh, what is this program? I'd better be careful in this program, because I don't know what's going to happen in here. Okay. So you've got find. So I'm going to look for photo path, and maybe that'll actually make it save photos. Oh, here we go. It's found. Oh, good. It's in cheese. Oh, so cheese is a GNOME thing. Okay. So you've got photo resolution here, saturation, selected a fair Hulk, so it actually remembers all of that. Okay. Hue, photo path. Default. Oh, so it actually is empty now. Oh, and I can actually put a path in here. Okay, let's see if this works. I'll change this directory around. So the person put home. Okay, so I'm gonna do home. What is my actual directory? Home / Philip / and I want it in photos. And I'll have all the webcam photos put in a new folder. What am I going to call it? Webcam. Webcam pictures, actually, webcam pictures. Okay, so there we go, webcam pictures. Now that's gonna be the location I want. Actually, I can just copy this location. Why am I being so silly? Okay. So photo path, there we go. So that should be good. Now, do you have to save it? Set to default. I'll set this to default. Oh, okay, set to default gives it its original thing. Okay, so you don't want to do that. Enter. So you want to keep that. That's exactly what you want to keep. Okay. Oh, I don't know if this will work or not, but we can try. Here we go. Deconf editor. Okay. Before I do anything, let's open Cheese and just see if this works. Cheese. Oh, it's still got that Hulk effect. You're kidding me. Okay, so if I take a photo. Oh, there we go. There's the file. So now it can officially take photos. In fact, I'll put the audio up. And it's opening in GIMP. Okay. But you can actually see the photo. This face of me like, oh, is this gonna work? Is this gonna work? And then I'm like, yeah, it does work. I don't like. I've got to get out of this Hulk theme because it looks awful. But basically, oh, and it comes with more effects. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, and it's got cool. Yeah, okay. I shouldn't start. Oh, wait a sec. It goes. Oh, wait. What the? And just X-ray at the end there? Oh, okay. But it goes through this stage where it's like it flickers. Oh, it's not doing it anymore, but it just flickered through like writing it and like converted it into stuff. Anyway, let's see. I might just do normal, no effect for now, just while I'm working everything out. And get that perfectly. Okay, so let's take a photo again, just because I want a proper one to work, and you can hear the sound it makes. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, cheese. Okay, and there we go. Oh, you can't open it like that. Okay, open. Oh, there we go, and it opens it in the actual viewer here. Okay, interesting. Okay, so let's quit this. And I'll just keep this up on the screen, that's fine, keep cheese there. Now, can it do videos? Let's set a video path and just see if that works. And then I'd be interested to see, is it actually getting audio? So if I record a video with this, is it going to get audio? But I doubt it. Let's just see. So I want new folder now. Oh, well, actually it wouldn't be photos, it would keep being videos. And oh, look at all these vokoscreens. Okay, so it would be new folder, webcam videos, accept. So let's set this as a path and see if this works. Video path, there we go, enter. Now will this work? 3, 2, 1, record a video. Ah, okay. Problem there, it can't actually do the whole video thing yet. Probably because of the whole, whatever it was, that pulse audio thing. So it could not initialize supporting library GST audio rc.c. Okay, so maybe I should try and grab that library or something. Copy, and I'll open a new terminal. Let's just try this. Pacman, oh wait, sudo pacman-s, and I'll just paste that in, paste. But I doubt this will work. I don't think you can just get audio libraries. Yeah, I didn't think so. I'll just quickly try it one more time with the yogurt. Yogurt, however you say it, and see if it finds it like this. But I doubt it completely. Yeah, didn't find it. Okay. So I'm not sure how you get these audio libraries. So that's just a bit confusing. And I'm worried about getting out of this pulse audio, because this pulse audio, oh well, not pulse audio, this special, whatever you call it, other audio, is just working well, and I just don't want it to stuff up. So, we've got the actual location thing working, but the only thing is audio. Well, the video is not working. So I wonder what's wrong with this video. There's an error playing a video from the webcam. So it's an audio thing. So Arch Linux audio. In fact, yeah, Audacity, is that going to work at all? I doubt Audacity will work, but let's just see if Audacity works. Like, I know it can play back sound, but I'm not sure about recording sound. Let's see if I can select from the list of, you know, devices if my webcam is actually a device it detects. So this is microphone. It's got a bunch of things here. To USB device. Oh, look at all these devices, and it was a 992 thing. So let me just try record with this. Ready? Hello, hello. Oh, okay. It works. But I'm not sure that's the right device I'm supposed to use, but it's working. Okay, let me see if playback works. Hello, hello. Okay. It works. But I'm not sure that's the right device I'm supposed to use, but it's working. Okay, let me see if playback works. So, because I just saw that 92 thing, wait, I've lost it now, I don't know what it's called. But I just kind of, what did I even click on? USB device. So I think it'll just do like 1988 and it'll just select some. I doubt this will work. Hello, 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 yeah. So it actually is that 9.2 thing, and I don't think it matters what you choose. Like, you could choose line 2, for example, and hello, hello, yep, and it works. So it doesn't really matter what you choose there, but it probably does, but I just don't understand why it doesn't matter. But I'm actually able to get audio in this, and that's pretty amazing. Anyway, so if audio is working, maybe I have to go to that deconfig thing or something. Let's just see if I can work it out. So I'll open cheese, and I'll do it as an administrator, sudo cheese. But the thing is, I don't think this whole thing will work, what do you call it, on boot up. So if I reboot, I'll probably have to do this LSUSB thing again. So video mode, let's just see what we do. Preferences. It doesn't let me change the device here. Error showing help. Oh, okay. So, and videos just don't work because it doesn't know what audio device to use. So maybe if I try and open, what was that thing? What was that command? Yeah, deconf editor. And I wonder if you can access that through here. Yeah, there it is. Okay, silly me. So where is it? Here we go. Gnome cheese. Now I wonder if it's got like a audio. So you've got selected effect, saturation, hue, flash. Okay, now I don't see audio at all here. You've got that camera. Point to the camera, yeah, but unfortunately, yes, I've got a camera, but I don't have an actual audio thing. And that's what I need, because there's no audio here. Which is a real shame, actually. Yeah, so as soon as I try and record video, it just stops. Okay. So, not sure what's going on there. But I'm thinking now would be a good time to test out vokoscreen to see if I select that, you know, what was it again? 992 thing, if that actually allows me to use the webcam with vokoscreen. So let's see this. Save changes, no. Okay, I'll just minimize that for a sec. So I'm going to start and stop recording here. So here we go. I'm going to stop. And now you join me back here. Yes, I think you do. There we go. You join me back here with this other video. Now let's see. Audio ALSA. I'm going to select USB device. 992. Okay, there we go. And I think this will work. So what I'm going to do now, it's going to be pretty interesting. I'm going to click start. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and start. It's recording. But now I've got to see, is it recording audio? So that's what we're going to check now. So it's doing a little recording here. I'm now going to press stop. I'm going to just do a bit of more talking. Hello, hello, hello. I'm going to tap my webcam. And now I'm going to press stop. Now, what is important here is, I'll just quickly turn off this audio, is I'm going to press start again. Now I'm going to go to that folder and see if it actually recorded the audio through my webcam. So audio snippets, no, where does Audacity, oh no, videos, there we go. Okay, so vokoscreen, was it the 30 megabyte one? I think it was this one. So if I just open VLC and put this in VLC. Start is recording, but now I've got to see, is it recording audio? So that's what we're going to check now. So it's doing a little recording here. I'm now going to press stop. I'm going to just do a bit more talking. Hello, hello, hello. It's working. It actually is. And now I'm going to press stop. So you know what? Answer is yes, it works. So I've actually got my webcam microphone working with vokoscreen, but have I really got it working? If I reboot, will it just not detect it again? That's what I'm worried about. So maybe I need to add a module or something to load at the beginning. So let's see, Arch Linux LS USB. What does this do? I'm going to need a bit of help here because I'm not sure if this is what I want. I need to get this whole webcam thing working. So Arch Linux Webcam. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a bit of a read, but I'm probably going to leave this read off camera because I don't want you guys to just be bored out by me not knowing what to do. So I'll have a little read, and if I guess I come up with something, then I'll, show you what I'll try out. Okay, it actually appears that I've found something here. So it says, make sure the module is loaded for your webcam. Now, that's interesting because it says, add your webcam's module in this etc/modules thing so it will be included or loaded in the kernel during the initial stage bootstrapping. So that must mean when I turn my computer on and off, it'll actually be there. So that would be really good if I can get that working. So it says add your webcam's module. I don't really know what that means. That's the only downside of all this. So let's try and go to this. In fact, what I'll do is I'll open LeafPad, Nano LeafPad. What? Oh, no, I meant sudo. Sorry about that, I just complete mind break. I was thinking of like text editing and I was like, oh yeah, Nano, and then I was like, okay, LeafPad. That's sudo LeafPad. Okay, so the thing about this is that it's really going to help me with this editing because I hate trying to edit text files in the terminal. So let's go to root, or file system, etc. Now what? etc modules load. Okay, modules load. Webcam.conf. It's just, I can't find it. Oh, wait, show hidden files. Oh, still not working. Where is webcam.conf? Maybe I need to, maybe it's just not going to work. Maybe I've just got to do like Nano or something. Wait, let me see. Nano, which would be really annoying. Wait, sudo nano, and then the location here, paste. I don't know if this will work or not, but I really do. Oh, so it's not, that file doesn't actually exist. So maybe I need to actually create the file. I literally have to make it. Add your webcam's module. Okay. So add your webcam's module in there so it will be loaded into the kernel during the initial burst. Okay. Kernel should automatically load the proper file. If this is the case. Well, let's see. This is the thing. I know I've got to type something in here, but I don't know what I've got to type in. But what is this whole? Oh, okay, here we go. I'll get this up. Loading. Okay, extra kernel modules. I clicked it before, but then I was like, huh? Okay, so extra kernel modules to be loaded during boot are configured as a static list in files under etc/modules.d. Oh. So this is just confusing me. Each configuration file is named in a style of modules load/d/program.conf, separated by new lines, empty lines. Okay, so that's like an example of a module location, and then that's a module. Okay. Oh wait, so if that's a module, see modules load for more detail. Okay. Files can be used to pass module settings to udev. Wait a sec, so maybe, so that, okay, so I'm guessing this is what a module looks like, like virtuo.net, and that's all I need to do. So basically I would probably type like webcam.net or, well, so I don't know, something, so we'll try and work out what it is. Maybe these are the modules here. And since this has got QuickCam and stuff in it, maybe it's Linux UVC. So if I add Linux UVC to this, I wonder if it'll work. UVC. As part of the kernel, just load the UVC module. So options UVCDO no probe equals 1. Wait a sec. Oh, this is confusing. Okay. Let's just try this. I'll try and add Linux UVC to this. So paste Linux UVC file, and I want to, oh right, I can't save, right. Okay, I've just got to go Control X and then save, and file name to write, yes, that'll be the file name. Okay, boy, I hope this works now. I really hope this works. Now that the file's created, though, I'll be able to access it with LeafPad, but I don't know if it'll work. So, but it does. It said I'm supposed to do something like that. So let's just. I don't know. Let's just hope it works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna be pretty screwed. I just need to see what this outputs to, because I just forgot. I just want to see if maybe it'll tell me. Linux capture interface, unlikely volume range, capture volume, now registered. UVC video found UVC 1.0 device. UVC camera. Interesting, so maybe it is the UVC video. Okay. I am going to reboot the computer and then just hope that this works. This is going to be a very, very interesting time. Okay, so I'm going to close all the tabs. I'm going to turn off vokoscreen, and boom, you've just joined me back here with the video. So what you're going to see now is me hoping that the webcam works when I turn the computer back on. Log out, reboot. Oh, and boy, I hope this works. What's that? Watchdog. What's Watchdog? Is that spyware or something? I'm not sure. Okay, let's just see if this boots up. I don't remember that Watchdog thing appearing. It's only like appeared this time around. Come on, hurry up and boot up. Oh, that's right. Oh, okay. It will work. I'm just thinking, when I do reboot, it sometimes takes longer than it should. When, like, if I would just do shutdown, it would usually be faster. Okay, so Arch Linux. Loading all this stuff. I wonder if it'll actually talk about that thing that it loads. Like, you know, oh, okay, and there's that SDH, which is that hard drive. Okay. Will it talk about that module? Oh, no, it didn't. Okay, that's funny. Anyway, I'll log in now, and hopefully we'll get this like thing so I don't have to type lxdm all the time, because it's getting a little annoying. Okay, sudo lxdm. Oh, all this password typing is annoying me. Here we go. Please work. Okay. So just log in again, and now I've got to type in the password yet again. And will it work? Yep, and my desktop background, great. So, let's just quickly see if this cheese works. I'm not going to get into vokoscreen straight away, I just want to see if cheese works. And if it does, I'll be happy. Come on, please, please, please. Yes! Oh my goodness, I figured it out. I got it working, I got it working. And now let's just see if Audacity works. In fact, videos won't work, will they? Record a video. Wait a sec, wait, oh my goodness, it's actually recording a video. Look at that. Okay. Now I'm going to stop recording. And there's the video, okay. So let me try and open that video. It doesn't show a preview. Wait, open. Wait. Okay, I've got to find the location. Wait, oh, it's open in. Oh, okay, no audio. Yep, that's right, no audio. So it can record videos with that webcam, but there is no audio, unfortunately. How am I going to get this audio working? Preferences. Capture. Okay, well, I'm happy so far with this whole where the webcam is going and stuff. I might just flip onto the screen now and see if it worked with recording a video. Maybe vokoscreen stops it from recording a video or something, I don't know. Anyway, let's jump onto the screen with vokoscreen. Now, just as a test here, this is the normal recording, like with the... Oh, sorry, you can see... So I'm looking at the camera and I'm like, oh, wait a sec, you can see me on the webcam. Okay, sorry, this is... I hope I don't do anything like pick my nose or anything, because I forgot that I'm being recorded. Okay, so you can now see me and hear my voice, but the voice you're hearing right now, this is just the webcam's up, I'm not recording a video from that, but the voice you're hearing is from this, which as you can see is actually recording me right now. Now I'm going to turn this off in about 5 seconds, and you're going to hear the sound as recorded through the webcam, because if you actually look on the screen just down there, you can see that I've selected USB device for the audio. So here we go, ready? I'm going to turn this camera off in 3, 2, 1. And now you are hearing the audio from the webcam, purely from the webcam, no outside sound from like the camera, which is the whole video that you've listened to so far. Every episode up to now has been recorded through the sound of this camera. You are now for the first time hearing audio recorded through the webcam. Now the issue with audio through the webcam that I'm a little worried about is sometimes I'm on Windows. I don't have the problem with Fraps, but like I'll use Camtasia or Cam Studio 8 or just one of those programs, and even like Hypercam when I used to use that in like 2008. But the issue is, on Windows I've found is that the audio will get out of sync. So as you can see, it's recording now, and let's say, okay, it's been recording for 1 minute and 52 seconds on the screen. And it goes fine at the beginning, but the longer the video is, the more out of sync the audio would get with the video. So my question is this audio through this camera, number one, is it good audio? Like, would you call this good quality? Would you prefer me to use audio from this from now on, or the camera from now on? Like, was it better or worse before? Like, does it really matter? And is this going to get out of sync? Because that's my biggest issue here. I'm just looking at this thinking, is it going to get to 10 minutes of recording, and is the audio going to be out of sync? So that's something we can give a good test for both Arch Linux, this webcam, and the vokoscreen program. Can it record stuff in sync over an extended period of time? Now, just in case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera back on, and I'm going to use this as an audio source only if this gets out of sync. So that's what we'll do. Turn it back on now, so I'm turning it back on at exactly 3 minutes in. There. Okay, so this camera's recording now. So let's minimize this. Oh, and doesn't it just feel good knowing that like this desktop background you're looking at is something I made myself. I went and took a photo out, and then this cheese program, I worked out how to do the module thing, and with a little bit of help, but I worked out from the Arch Wiki and from that guy, Frank. So we're in a system which we've set up in Arch, and it's working. It's able to take photos through the webcam, it's able to browse the web, it's able to edit files and store files, and no, you know what, USB support. So if I stick in a USB, let's try this out. Do I have a USB? Okay, I've got one on my desk over here. This chair here, by the way, if you're wondering what this was, is for where I mount the actual camera with the Gorilla tripod. So I've got a USB here. I'm going to stick this USB in, and I'm just going to hope that it works. I don't think it will work though, unfortunately, but we can give it a try. Wait, before I stick it in, let's do that LS USB thing in the terminal. So here we go. LS USB, and it shows all that stuff, including the quick cam. Good. Now I plug this in. What? I am amazed. Ah, the USB works. Open in File Manager. You know what? And it's detecting all of my dry... Wait, what is this? This isn't... Well, I don't know what I'm using now. This is... Wait a sec. This is... It's working, yes, but... What is this program? PC Man FM. Okay, so it's not working. So PC Man FM is a much better file browser, it seems, than XFE. Because yeah, this program isn't detecting all these other drives, unfortunately. So, I'm thinking... Should I just get rid of XFE, or should I... You know what, that would be a good challenge. Should I try and get all of this stuff working in XFE? I do now know, though, that USB support I can definitely get through this program, this PC Man thing, but I feel like I'm cheating if I'm just... Like, I'm getting it, you know, for nothing, so I don't really want to cheat my way into this, so... Yeah, I might quit that. So it's interesting that the USB is working. So I know now that if I want to quickly grab a file off a USB or something, I'll be able to do that. Now, another thing I had trouble with was uploading this photo. Like if people... Actually, no, don't worry about that. It was just because the file size was too big, but yeah, don't worry about that. I could try and compress that image, but I'm not in the mood right now. Right now I want to try and get it so that when I turn my computer on, it just comes into this. I don't have to do all this logging in and all of that. I just want to go, boom, computer on, lxde up. So let's work out how to get this actual desktop environment up straight away rather than waiting. And this time I'll be a little bit more patient because I'm already in the desktop environment. At first, when I first did this, I was like, oh yeah, I'll do it later. I'm not really interested in doing it now. But now I am interested in doing that. So I'll try and get this to work. And just so you can see me, I'll have me on the side here. Okay, and then I'll stretch this out. Oh no, have it there, that's fine. Okay, lxde Arch. Now, let's work out how to actually make this come up straight away, rather than having to wait around for it. So that's the installation, graphical login. So So lxdm is the default manager. It's installed, yup, it is rapidly developed and still under experimental phase. Okay. To use startx, you need to define lxd in your xinit file. exe startlx. If you want it to boot automatically, okay, looking at the starting exit boot guide. So, as you know, when I type startx, lxd doesn't come up. That is what I would like to come up though. So let's try this out. Let's open sudo leafpad and then see if this works. So I've got leafpad up. Now I'm going to try and go to that file, the xinit file. So file, open, and in fact let's go to this, let's do the proper xinit where it says, okay, let's copy over the file and everything. So in your xinit rc file, and what I want to do is I want to try and get it so that it works. I know I sound crazy, I'm not saying the proper stuff. Xinit rc is so good. Okay, so that's a file. There, so where is it? So you want to copy, so it contains directories, okay. The defaults, okay, so for newly user account, okay, the xinit port will populate. So you want to copy it, copy the file to your home directory. Oh, to just, okay, so my home directory. Oh, okay, I get it. So copy that. Let's see if I can actually just copy it like this. Okay, I don't want to quit that, so I'll just do it like this. Here we go. Paste. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and I'll probably need sudo for that. Copy etc skill. Okay, let's see. I don't know if this will work, but I'll know by looking in the xfe thing. Come up to home. No, it doesn't seem to be here. Okay, that's a shame. Let me try then to go to this etc skill. Wait a sec, where? I just can't find this xinit file. Wait, where is it? Now edit xinit. So, is this xinit just a general file out of ECT? Where? That's where I was saving those original webcam images. Remember I couldn't find them, and I was like, where is it saving these images? Yeah, there we go. That's where it was. Okay. In fact, let's delete those all. Yeah, just like that. And delete, move to trash. Oh, okay. Fine, because I didn't sudo this program. Anyway, var user. But where is the file? Oh, wait. Show. I want to make sure it's showing. Yeah, hidden files tick. Okay, because those were hidden files. I forgot. So maybe if I go to home now, is xinit here, hidden files tick. So it's not. Oh, that's a shame. Okay, well let's try and go to that location. etc. Where is it? etc. And then skill. Okay, just move that away to the side a bit. Boy, I hope this works, because it's actually, I'm getting a bit over this trying to copy this file. pacman.conf, wait a sec, open, wait, what am I doing? Oh wait, okay, skill. Okay, so this is etc, now I need the skill. Okay, there's, don't worry, I found it, xinit rc. So what we're going to try and do is copy it to our home directory. So I'm going to copy, and now I'm going to go to my home directory. Where's home? Home? There we go. Okay, and I'll just, do you paste it in Philip or do you paste it in home? I'm not sure, wait a sec, getting started, so, from the skeleton, yup. Copy to your home directory. I'm just going to guess this is the home directory, so let's try this out. So copy and paste
Yep. Although, since it's saying to do a little squiggle, let me just see what that would be. Location, what squiggle? Oh, squiggle is home. Okay, there we go. So this must be right then. So I'm going to paste it. The file, how do I paste this file? Oh, so it won't let me paste the file. Okay. I'll try and open 2 of these then. Okay. Actually, look, you can do this little side-to-side thing here. So, might just use this because it's a little less complicated. Okay, so let me try and copy it like this. So I'm going to go to the etc. So I'm losing exactly where I am here. So it's in etc, scale, and then xinit rc. Then I'll copy that over. Copy here. Sorry, I'm just not showing the file. I'm just getting stupider and stupider here. Okay. Where am I now? Oh, take me back home. Wait, why does that not take you back home? Oh, maybe that doesn't take... Oh, okay. I'm just really confused. Okay, so home. Got that down packed. So now I need to... Oh, what? Okay, there's X in it. Do you know what? Let's just keep it there because I'm just too confused. And in fact, I'm going to copy that just in case. And I'm going to put it in home here. Paste. Yep. Oh, cannot write to home. So are you supposed to put it in the fill? Okay, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to have it there for now. Right? I'm going to try and do all the editing I need. So let's edit with this program. I'm not even in LeafPad. It's probably best I probably should use LeafPad. Let's try this. Fill it. Xinit RC. Open. Now let's see, what do I need? I've put that start lxd already there a while ago. So what it says is you need that should be there. Oh, what's all this stuff? Oh, I can't work this out. Okay. Getting started, Xinit RC. Oh, okay, but for lxd, okay. So to use startx, you'll need to define your lxd. Yup, so that. Now if you want it to start automatically, starting x at boot. Well, first of all, before I start x at boot, we're gonna just see if this works, first of all. So close tabs. I've copied that start lxd thing there. And I really hope this works. So I'm just gonna quit everything. I've copied the file like it's asked me to. Quit this. Bye guys. And now, let's just see if this works. Here we go. I'm gonna stop recording. So you've now joined me back at this camera. Let's shut down. Actually, before I do, let me just quit that. Quit. Okay. And that can quit. Okay. Shut down. Boy, I hope this works. So this means if I type startx, the desktop environment should pop up. Oh, come on, hurry up. What's this flashing here for? Do I need to wait for that to finish or something? What's it doing? Maybe I shouldn't have done maybe I should have done reboot. Oh wait, okay, here we go. There we go, okay. So, sorry, I don't know why it took so long there. So I'm going to take this out because otherwise it'll try and boot from USB. Now I'll turn the computer back on. Okay, so what we're going to do now, and I hope it works, is we're going to type in, sorry, bad camera angle, we're going to type in startx. Then if that doesn't work, I'm going to write in xinit. If one of those work, I'm going to be very happy. If none of those work, I'm going to be very sad, and I'll try and copy it to the home directory rather than my personalized directory, if you know what I mean. So let's just start this up. Oh boy, I hope this works. And then if that works, we'll try and get it to boot at startup. Here we go. Oh, please work, please work. Okay, so I'm gonna log in. And if this doesn't work, oh my goodness, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Start X. Okay, please, please, please. Please. Oh. Please don't. Oh, wait. I've got a cursor. I've got that bar at the bottom. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. And my program's all working. Oh, wow. Great. Do you know what? That is fantastic. Now we're going to move onto the screen and try and get this to pop up straight away. No more logging into Arch and... Oh, actually, maybe I'll have to log in, and then once I log into Arch Linux, then the desktop environment will pop up. But let's just try that. Let's see if I can type Start X, and from now on, I mean, well, I've already got Start X working, but let's see if I can now just have Start X open at boot. So I'm going to try that out now. We're going to jump to the screen. Okay, so I'm on the screen again. As you can see though, I've got this off, like, I don't have the audio, I'm using this audio because I have a feeling you guys aren't going to like that webcam, this audio, okay? So that's why I'm still recording right now, as you can see, recording with this, to get the audio with this thing. And then after, the only issue with this is I've got to synchronize it, so I've got to, every time I start a new video, I've got to join it up, and it's really annoying to kind of, like, I know it's unedited, but I actually do have to edit it just to join it, but there's no actual, other stuff. So anyway, I got this up just off camera because it would be interesting to do this a bit quicker, because we already knew where to access it from before. So this article explains how to have the X server start automatically right after logging in at the virtual terminal. Virtual terminal? This is achieved by running the startx command, whose behavior can be customized and described in the xinit article. Okay. Okay, so let's get startx to run at boot. So it says, for bash, add the following to the bottom of the profile if it doesn't exist. Okay, so it's another copy thing, just like I copied that file to do that. So we'd have to add this to the bottom. And then... and that's it. Okay, this is it. Well, let's try it. We won't know until I try it. Okay. So we'll go into etc. But of course, I'm going to need terminal for this because I won't be able to open EFF without admin kind of stuff. So sudo EFE. No, EXFE. Okay, hopefully this will work. Warning, running XFE is root. Okay. It's good that it warns you. It's good that it warns you though, because what if you didn't know it was running as root and it's like, oh, whoops. Okay. So I'm gonna go to EDC. Where is it? ETC. And we're going to skill. Is it skill? Where is it? Skill. And I want to show those hidden files. I'm going to grab, is it bash profile? Yep, bash profile, okay. Bash profile, so I'm going to copy. Now I'm going to go to my home directory. Home. And yeah, there it is, Philip. Okay, now I'm going to try and paste this in. So... I don't want it in a folder though. So just in general, paste. Yup, to bash, okay, bash profile, accept. Oh, it already, great, it already exists. That was silly of me. Okay, well. Source. So it was made. What? Okay, I'm confused. confused. I'll just... Yes, oh wait, 8th of the 25th. Wait, I hadn't even... 13... Okay. You know what? Just... cancel. You know... I'm so confused right now. Let me just open a normal XF thing and I'll try and edit this file. Bash profile. Here we go. So, I just want to edit it. And I'll just edit it with this. We won't worry about the whole leaf pad thing. Oh boy, I hope this works now. So what do I need to add to the bottom? I need to add this to the bottom of it. Copy. And paste. I hope this works. Okay. Save. Okay. This should work. If it doesn't, oh no. It's going to be a bit annoying. Okay. I will see you now. I'm just going to... Here we go. We're going to jump to the camera here. 3, 2, 1, jump. And yeah, here I am now with filming like this. I'm going to quit this. Quit vokoscreen, and we're going to log in and out. Yeah, vokoscreen quit. Sometimes it takes a while to quit. I'm going to click log out. Now I'm going to I'll reboot. There's that watchdog thing again. Don't know why that keeps popping up. Anyway, let's do a little review now. I've got... So... I hate trying to set up cameras. I've got my webcam working. I've got USB support working, but that, I'm guessing that was only because of that PC man thing. Next episode, what I'm going to want to try and do is get this working, you know, properly without, I don't know, you know, just get it working properly without all this PC man stuff, just with that EXF, and how do I mount, like, all this stuff to the, I don't know what I'm saying. Let's just go back to the screen. I guess you know what I'm saying, just try and understand what I'm saying. Okay, here we go. So now, it's probably going to ask me to log in. That's what I'm expecting. And then as soon as I log in, here we go. Philip. And now I'll type my password to log in. And hopefully now, here we go. Xorg is popping up straight away. Great, so I didn't need to type in startx. And it's not going to take me to that login manager, it just gets me straight in. Great, there's the bottom bit, and there we are. So now I log in and it takes me exactly to where I want to go. That is fantastic, and there we go, there's all my system tools and stuff. Working very, very, very well. Okay, that was a success. So finally we've gotten the odds and ends sorted. No audio on this camera though, which is a bit annoying when we're trying to film with cheese, but it can get audio with the whole Audacity thing, so if I wanted to make, you know, an Audacity file, it's working. Okay, I really hope you've enjoyed this episode. Like, I sometimes don't find these episodes so exciting. I find the episodes where I'm like trying out new software exciting, but someone said they wanted the episode to be a bit more productive. So it's been a pretty productive episode, getting stuff working, getting startx at login and stuff, but I don't know, if you like that kind of stuff, you would have liked this episode. So I'm just going to quickly write up what we did here. Open Arch Adventures History. Okay. So this is episode 4. Sorry about this, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's like a festival outside and they're playing some type of music. Hopefully I won't get copyright complaints from this. But I'm going to try and talk over it. So this is basically what I did for episode 4 and what I've written down. I successfully got my webcam working with Cheese and I added the module to get it automatically working at startup. I can use Cheese to take photos, however videos will have no sound. I can record sound with my webcam in Audacity though. And also vokoscreen. I also got startx configured to start up at boot and automatically run lxde. Now, yes, this has been a very productive episode, but for the next episode, I do want just a few little more productive things, but also some games just to
calm down a bit, because I don't want Arch Linux to seem like this big, heavy, bogged down thing. So we're going to just try out a few games in the next episode. After just a few more things I want to get working. So I want to try and get video sound working in the Chief program. And I also want to try and get, what was that other thing? There was one more thing I wanted to get working. Yeah, I think the other thing was getting this program, wait, let me just open it up. XFE, you know this program here? Getting this XFE to mount all the stuff like the USB and all my other drives and stuff, because I don't want to use this PC man thing. And I think that's about it. So give me any suggestions for the next episode. Tell me what you think of the series so far. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it average? Is it something that it's nice to just have there as a reference that you like skim through and watch me expand my knowledge in Arch? Or is there people out there who actually watch these whole episodes? I don't think anyone watches these whole episodes, but if there is people who watch the whole episodes without any skipping through, tell me. That would be quite interesting. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.